the Chairman of Global College of Management, Dr. Tilak Rawal, for his keynote speech. Guys, please give a big hand for him.
Thank you very much. No noise for 5 minutes. I'm not going to take more than 5 minutes. Chief guest of this program, Vice Chancellor of Tribhuvan University, Dr. Khania, Dr. Bishra, Principal Joshi, and respected faculties and staff of Global College of Management, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. We are delighted, honored, privileged, and whatnot to have with us this morning Dr. Khania, who is a dear friend of ours and the Global College of Management. We have been receiving his blessings and support even before he became Vice Chancellor of Tribhuvan University. And we are still, receiving his good wishes, and I'm sure he will continue to give us good advice and guidance in times to come as well. Thank you, Dr. Khania, for being here with us today. Dear students, this is your day, so we know our limitations. We should not be, taking lots of your time. We should not be standing for long between you and your rollicking, enjoyable program. That's why I said right at the outset of my deliberation that I will not be taking more than 5 minutes. Dr. Khania has spoken a lot. He has given you good advice, guidance. You will kindly remember his wise counsel, give a thought to it, and act according to his advice. As far as welcome and farewell programs of this college are concerned, you see, I used to be a little bit, in a different mood, as far as farewell program extended to outgoing students is concerned. But now I'm used to it. These are annual events, and you are not going to be away from us. You are going to graduate, I know, your school level, education from our college, securing highly commendable results, as has been the case so far. We wish you all the best. Partings are always sad, but we don't have to be sad, as has been said by our students also. You are Globalian, students of this college, and I'm sure you will continue to shine nationally and globally. Keep up your good work. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.